Hey friends, come do a workout with me. It's gonna be 30 minutes. We're gonna have 5 exercises, so 6 rounds through of everything. The format is 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest, or if you want a little more, do 45 on, 15 rest. If you want a little less, do 30-30, whatever suits you. I'm gonna go for 40-20. You only need 1 kettlebell. I'm gonna use 45 pounds, so one that's a little bit heavier, like a medium to heavy weight. We're gonna do kind of a back to basics workout. So I just got back from Hawaii and I took the week off. So now I'm a little bit jet lagged. We took a red eye last night. My body isn't quite feeling 100%, but I wanna get something in full body. Back to basics for me means a squat, a hinge, a push, a pull, and a cardio or swing. So that's what you're gonna see here. Nothing too complicated. All the moves are fairly simple. So yeah, join me, 30 minutes, 1 kettlebell. We'll go through the exercises and then I'm gonna do the whole thing with you. Okay, move number 1 is an overhead row to a deadlift. So both hands are gonna be on the horn of the bell. Whatever stance you're comfortable with, I like about hip width distance. You're gonna hinge at your hips, slight bend in the knees, and then row. So pull your elbows towards your lower ribs or towards your hip bones, engaging your back, let it back down, and then do a deadlift. Just a compound move, row to deadlift for the whole 40 seconds. And then exercise 2 is a thruster. So you're gonna find a squat stance, maybe a little bit wider, toes out, heels in. You're gonna have your hands on either side of the horn here. Squat down and then press up. So a thruster means a squat with a press. And these might get a little heavy, but do it if you can. If you have a lighter weight, maybe use a lighter weight for that one, but the whole goal is to do this just with 1 weight to make it simple. Move number 3 is a kettlebell swing. So we're gonna do Russian swings if you have a slightly heavier weight. If you have a lighter weight, feel free to do overhead American swings, but again, mostly a hip hinge movement, and then drive and push the hips forward. Okay, bell comes to shoulder height. All right, move 4, let me see if I remember. Hold on, I forgot. Oh, okay. Move 4 is a double-handed clean. So, feet are hip width distance apart. If you're gonna clean up to the right shoulder, your right hand is gonna have an overhand grip, your left hand is underhand. So, opposite grip, and then you're gonna clean it up to your right shoulder. Let it back down. Switch grips. So if you're cleaning up to the left shoulder, left hand is overhand, right is underhand. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Buddy! Okay. So if we do the other side, cleaning up to the left side looks like that. Let it down, switch sides, keep going for 40 seconds. And then the last exercise is a little more cardio as well. It's gonna be a weighted lunge to a jump lunge switch. So the bell is gonna stay in the middle the whole time. If your left foot is in front, your right leg is back, you're gonna hold the bell in the right hand, lunge up, let it back down. And then for your jump lunge, I want you to explode up as high as you can because we're just doing 1. It's not like we're doing continuous for 40 seconds. So you're gonna do the lunge, let it back down, and then explode up, switching legs. Grab the bell with the left hand, slowly lower, and then explode up, switch legs, okay? So, row to deadlift, thrusters, swings, double-handed clean, and then jump lunges. Get ready, get your music on. I won't play anything, but don't listen to me breathing if you can help it. And then we'll get started. All right, our 10-second countdown is on. I'm gonna have my phone going here so we can all see it. Maybe you can see it, but I'll say it as well and you can hear it. Okay, row to deadlift. Remember, this is a back to basic workout, although it's very full body and fun, but just make sure you're prioritizing your form over speed or reps. So with these timed workouts, someone might do 5 reps, someone might do 15 reps. Just do what you can do. It's good form. Good, 7 seconds left. Okay, 20 seconds rest. Thrusters are not gonna be fun. Your shoulders are probably gonna be what burns out first, but again, just do what you can. Do presses for as long as you can, and then if for the rest of the time you just wanna do squats, totally fine. Okay, front rack, squat, and press overhead. Maybe exhale on your press. You help the press with your legs by making it one smooth motion. 15 seconds left. By the time it gets hard, you're almost done, which is great. 1 or 2 more reps. Good. 20 seconds rest. Pet your doggy, take a sip of water. They missed us when we were out of town. Okay, we have Russian swings, or American if you're using lighter weight. Go. Focus on one point. Keep driving the hips forward, using your glutes. Not primarily a low back movement, but of course everything is involved. And then just keep your breath steady. Eight seconds. Rest. All right. Double-handed cleans, since it's a heavier weight. If you want to do a single arm clean, go for it. This weight's too heavy for me to do that. But whatever you want to do. 4 seconds rest. Again, kind of a full body explosive move upwards. So you're not just cranking the belt up with your arms. You're using your legs as well. Ten seconds, keep going. Rest. We have our weighted lunge to our explosive jump lunge. Oh, this one might be fun. So opposite arm of whatever leg's in front is holding the belt. 3-second countdown. And go. Slow and controlled on the weighted, and then explode up. Use your arms if you want. Halfway through. Keep pushing. 5 seconds left. Good, rest. Round 1 is done, so kind of just gauge how you're feeling. If you like the 40-20 breakdown, stay with that. If you need a little harder, go 45 seconds. If you need more rest, do 30 seconds. All right, we have our row to deadlift. Whew. I need to stop talking as much. I hope you understand. More of a hip hinge. Just a slight bend in the knees the whole time. Pull the kettlebell up towards your belly button. Ten seconds left. Okay, finish up 2 more reps of your row to deadlift. And then now rest. I had to catch up for a second. And you have 20 seconds rest. All right, and next we have our thruster, the worst one. Catch your breath, get ready, and then find that front rack position in 3 seconds. And go. Squat down, press up. Squat down, press up. Stay nice and controlled on your squat. Don't let your knees cave in. Make sure you're driving through your heels. This is a tough one if you're using a heavy-ish weight. 15 seconds left. Keep pushing, a couple more reps. And don't let your back arch too much as you press overhead. Good, rest, 20 seconds. Next we have our Russian kettlebell swings. Okay. 5 seconds rest. And go. Keep pushing, 10 seconds left. Rest. And don't forget, I'm struggling alongside you. Catch your breath. Next we have our double-handed cleans. So if you're cleaning to the left side, left hand is over, right hand is under. 3 seconds rest. And go. Try to get all the way up to your shoulder. And then your wrist turns slightly. So the overhand becomes the underhand and vice versa. Got 9 seconds. Couple more good, clean reps. Last one. Rest. Okay, we have our weighted lunge to our jump lunge. Remember, try to be as explosive as you can. So right foot's in front, left hand on the bell. 3, 2, 1, go. Use your arms to drive you up as well. You're pacing yourself slightly so you can make it through the full 40 seconds. Unless you want to do more rest, then go a little harder. Ten seconds left, couple more. Explode high. I love when it feels like you're jumping high, and then you're literally getting like 1 inch. But that's okay. It's effort. Okay, 2 rounds in. 1/3 of the way done. Oh. We have a row to deadlift coming up. Struggle. All right, overhand row. Gently lower back down, and then deadlift. It's gonna fly by. This whole workout is gonna fly by. So just stay in it. Big exhale to brace your core and protect your back. 5 seconds. 1 more. rest. Woohoo! Okay, we have our thruster, squat and press. Are you not gonna leave my side, sweetie pie? All right, 5 more seconds rest. Toes out, heels in, wide stance. Clean it up, squat down, and press. Slight tuck of your lower ribs down so you avoid arching as you press overhead like this. Oh, these are tough. All right, 12 seconds. Remember, forget the press if you need after a few reps, but stick with it if you can. Whew. One more squat. Good. Holy cow. We were swings. Cardio, although it all feels like cardio right now. Oh. 5 seconds, catch your breath. And go. Keep breathing. Create a rhythm. Good job. Almost done, 10 seconds. Power through. Rest, 20 seconds. We have our double hand clean. Feel free to switch whatever arm starts in front, but it doesn't matter. Should be pretty even. Use your whole body to power that bell up as you switch grips. And really, this is such a good format for a back to basics workout. You gotta have a squat movement, you gotta have a deadlift or hinge movement, upper body push, so chest and shoulders, upper body pull, like a row, and then I like to add a single leg, like a lunge movement, and then cardio, and that's a good format for any workout. Oh, I'm dying. I'm not gonna talk on this one. We have our lunges. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna step on your face, buddy. Stay in it. This means we're halfway done after this exercise. Couple more. Keep that power, even if it means fewer. Last one. Good job. Rest. Fix your hair, take a sip. Have beach waves for one more day. All right, row to deadlift. And go. Set yourself first. Don't rush into it. Anything now means you're over halfway, which is great. 1 rep closer to being done. Of course, you kind of get core involved with all these. So there's no specific core ab move, but engaged throughout, so it's good. All right, 15 seconds rest, catch your breath. And we have our squat and press, our thruster. 3, 2, 1. Clean it up. Set your feet, squat down, press up. Look at something ahead of you. Listen to your music and just go. 15 seconds. You can hang in there. One more. Good. Rest. Breathe. We have our kettlebell swings. And go. Hang in there. Actually a tough workout for back to beginner or back to basics. I want to make it simple, but it's not easy. 10 seconds. Couple more. Good, rest, 20 seconds. All right, get ready for double-handed clean. 5 seconds rest. Okay, pull it up, switch hands, power it up. Doing so good. Almost done with round 4. All right, check your form. Wipe your hands if you need. Make them good, clean reps. One more. Good, rest. We have the evil lunges. Buddy, I gotta get out of your way. Oh. Okay. 40 seconds of this. Possibly the hardest one. I think the thrusters maybe. Whew. Does burn. We're getting tired. Take a little longer rest if you need. Good. One more rep. Oh man. 2 more rounds. Oh. 10 seconds rest. Row to deadlift. 3, 2, 1, go. Second to last round. Through all these, make it good. Told you it would fly by, but it's hard. Yeah, it's hard to take a nap on me. Okay, focus. 15 seconds. One more. Good. 20 seconds rest. right, thrusters, unfortunately. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, squat and press. Go. I have a distraction. It's a swimming dog. Spitting sweat everywhere. Make them good, clean reps. Even if it means slower. Good job, 15 seconds. Couple more good ones. Yeah, I am sore. We're burning out. Okay, one more. Good, rest. Holy cow. We have our swings. 5 more seconds rest. Wipe your hands and go. Doing so good. Keep pushing. Ten seconds. I'm there with you, struggling. One more rep. Good, rest. All right, double hammy clean. We're so close. Wipe your hands. 3, 2, 1, go. Check your form. Power up. Switch your hands. Punch that heel of your hand, your palm to the sky. Wrap it under and sweep it up. Ten seconds. Couple more. Last one. Woo. Lunges and jump lunges. 7 seconds rest. Buddy, I love you. I don't want to step on you. Power up as high as you can, even if it's an inch. It's the intention behind it. Working different types of muscle fibers with this move, which is great. Excuse me. Good, 6 seconds. Oh my Lord. Doing good. One more round of everything, and then we're done. Okay. Get your dog out of the way for last round, so you can't use them as an excuse. Oh. Row to deadlift. Go. Stay in it. Last round. Ten seconds. Oh, 2 more reps. Last rep. Every muscle is working. Good Lord. All right, thrust thruster. Getting it over with. Hallelujah. 5 seconds. Close your eyes, take a breath. Don't think about it. Clean it up. Squat. Press. Set a goal for 7 or 8 really good reps. And then go from there. Depending on how you're feeling. Slipping. Tuck those little ribs in. 10 seconds. Get 2 more reps. Last one. Good job. Rest. No joke. Favorite kettlebell swings. Get in the zone. Play a good song, just go for it. Oh. Go. We're so close. 3 more minutes in this. Do it good, 10 seconds. I know it sucks. Slipping. 3, 2, 1. Good job. 2 more minutes. Wipe your hands real good. Forgot to in the room. 10 seconds. Double-handed clean. All right, get ready. Make them really good. I should learn by now to have a freaking towel next to me during each workout. I don't know why I haven't learned that. All right, couple good reps. Need your whole body to power up. 10 seconds. 3 more reps. 1, 2, last one, 3. Okay, we have 1 more minute. Good Lord. Sorry I said that a bunch. It sucks though. Lunges for 40 seconds. Make them your best. Okay, no excuses. As high as you can. As high as you can muster. Come on, guys. Halfway through. Don't think about it. Just push. 3 more reps. 1, 2. Last one, make it good. Jump up as high as you can. Yeah. That was a good one. I am toasted. So, I won't chat too long, but just know that we all struggled together and finished it together, no matter what you did. You were there and I'm proud of you. You did a great full body format. Like I said, squat, hinge. I almost said squat, I don't know what that means. Squat, hinge, push, pull, single leg lunge, like an isolateral, and then cardio. It was great, 30 minutes, super effective. Getting my booty back in shape after vacation, but it feels good. Thank you for joining. Share with others if you thought it was a good workout, or save it if you want to do it again. And I will see you next time. Sweat.